Hello Gurus and welcome to Oktoberfest. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Check it out. It's just starting. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. It's extremely loud. I'll try to find the quiet place here. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, and at the moment it's kind of turn off Wi-Fi. It's crazy Oktoberfest. I recommend checking it out. Amazing experience. MCRT slightly up, cake slightly up, the rest of the market in the red. Bitcoin broke out of that broadening wedge. Big congratulations if you took that trade. Interesting, when I opened the trade yesterday, we opened it here. It went massively in the profits, then came down, weak down to 19,700, then big bounce back. But that's showing a little bit of weakness. But look at that buy. Look how much buy orders came in the last 20 minutes after that drop. Interesting. On the daily, we're extremely oversold, turning to head up. We're starting to pinch within this massive red downtrend line that started on November 11th, 2021, and we've been heading down. And right now, it's building pressure in a very tight kind of movement. A lot of volume coming in. In the next few days, we could have between here and the 8th of October, the 14th of October, we could expect some big movement for Bitcoin. Most likely, in my opinion, it's going to double bottom, freak everyone out here, and then finish this downtrend and break out here. So most likely coming down to 1770. But on the weekly, we're extremely oversold. Monthly, extremely oversold. On the stochastic daily, extremely oversold. 4 hourly also overbought on the 4 hourly. But look at this bounce off this broadening wedge. So this was a descending broadening wedge that I talked about in yesterday's video. We broke out of it, we touched it, and we had a big bounce today, which is interesting. Where would I take a trade now on Bitcoin? It held on that broadening wedge. We had a confirmation of a bounce, so we could actually go long here. But most likely, in my opinion, I think we could go long here with the next big resistance, this one here, 20,500. So in the short term, in the long term, I would be preparing a trade like this and then having a big bounce. Actually, it wouldn't go that low, go here and having a big bounce because we have a mega support there. So I would prepare a trade like that, but in the short term, I would go long. Back to this resistance, 20,500. So I'd open a long where we are right now, actually, in the shorter term trade. I'd open a long here, stop loss just beneath where it weaked, take profit at the top here. That's in the short term trade, but not amazing risk to reward. Risking 305 to make 537 without leverage. With 10x leverage, 5,370 profits. That's the trade I would take in the short term. Let's see what else. We also have this broadening wedge is actually getting bigger, descending broadening wedge. And that can actually break out to the top of this red resistance. So I'd actually be going more towards, interesting, could do something like this actually. Break out towards here, get rejected, come down, everyone freaks out, and then break this massive downtrend line. So I would actually take this trade here on Bitcoin. I would open the trade where we are now, stop loss at 19,700 below these supports. And take profit at the top there. That gives us around, take profit would be here. That gives us around risking 350 to make 1,321 without leverage. With 10x leverage, 1,000 would be $13,000 of profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video in the description down below, you can go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. And I also want you to pay attention, if you're one of my audience, pay attention to MCRT. This is my project. This is not financial advice. I am the founder of this project. I just want you to keep that in mind when I explain this. But MCRT, this is the trade, what we've been having on MCRT in the short term. And MCRT is currently sitting at around 1 cent, just a bit less than 1 cent. You can see here, we've got around 1 cent. It's slightly up today, ranked 644. You can find it's $17 million market cap, $511,000 of volume. This is the weekly charts. The monthly, it's actually been pulling back this month. The 3 months still up quite a lot, but pay attention to MCRT. It's the play to earn game that I'm the founder of. You can join the Telegram to learn more about it. We have 52,600 members in here, and they're all talking today, chatting and discussing and everything. So just check out this, join us on Telegram. It's a beautiful community. Also on Twitter as well. And you can get MCRT on these exchanges: PancakeSwap, BitGet, Bitmart, MEXC, The links are down below. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. It's the play-to-earn game. We're going to be converting all the characters to NFTs. These are just some of the things that are happening in MCRT. A legendary. What's interesting is the NFTs are starting to sell like crazy, and they're starting to trend. This is the gameplay, like internally in the game. This will be the betting function, like the tournament function of MCRT, where this will be the lobby or the wallet for MCRT. Pay attention to it. It's a play-to-earn game that's going amazing. Thank you so much for your daily updates. Looking forward to them. You always notify your subscribers. I love watching your videos. Please keep on talking more about MCRT. My biggest profit from MCRT. Thank you so much, James. You're so welcome, Saffron. Pay attention to it. If you're one of my audience, you have to do your own due diligence, but make sure you pay attention to MCRT. I'll also be speaking at the blockchain economy on the 4th to the 5th of October in Dubai, at the Le Meridian Dubai. Make sure you join that as well. We'll be talking about Magicraft and different stuff. This is me and Dr. Javan testing out the gameplay, him on Android, me on iOS, versing each other, but the game is very far ahead, and it's actually, many people have been commenting that it's one of the best games they've ever played, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening on Bitcoin. Check it out. And now I'm going to go get drunk at Oktoberfest. If you've never been before, I recommend checking it out. It's an amazing experience and beautiful atmosphere, really cool environment. It's like one of the funnest. It's thousands of people getting. This is just one of the halls. There's like 10 or 20 of them at the Oktoberfest. Amazing experience. Check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.